Hello, what's up guys? My name is Nadir Habib. Today's video will build a WhatsApp group agent that scan your all chats in your group. If anybody send a spammy or negative tone message in your group guidelines according to, there can be message delete, and after that the three warnings that be removed permanently in your group. So let's check that out. So first of all, Meta cannot provide me any group integration APIs. We move a third-party tools with the help of Evolution API. You just need to pick up your phone and scan your web connect like in the Evolution API, and after that the WhatsApp group automation is working in the backend. So let's check that
Welcome to Digizio all-in-one open marketing platform.
out the workflow I built for the WhatsApp group automation. So first of all, we check that workflows nodes, and I pick the pen. So first of all, the webhook receive all data in your WhatsApp. What's the person send a message, what's message delete in every event in your WhatsApp channel, WhatsApp group, yeah, WhatsApp personal messages. But I triggered the WhatsApp group ID. So we just need any automation in the just group. So first of all, webhook receive that look like JSON structured data which have message dot offset, and that is our group ID, and that is the which person send a message in your group. So first of all, we need just a group. Here's the what is the group ID. Group ID is simple group, and here's my group ID. We just need to deliver the group ID is deliver the just only that group. Digis your online world is the same j.id I pick here. If anybody send a message in my group, we just need that automation, and after the any personal message not be the automate. So first of all, edit field is simple. We just purify my all input in the evolution API event. WhatsApp group ID instance is easier username, and the user message type user message user base 64. If anybody send a audio, yeah, image, yeah, video, yeah, PDF, we need a base 64 URL form in the evolution API send. So in user message ID, in user message source, which source is conversion, is audio message, is image message, yeah, or video message, and the user message time, and the user phone number, which person send a message me, and here's the phone number, and the server URL, and the group remote ID, and user participant must be in the group form. So when users send a message, that is purify node, and after the if anybody send a text message, the automation is here working. If anybody send audio, that be here's the line. And if anybody send an image, automation is pass out there. If anybody send a video, the automation pass out here. If anybody send the document, if anybody not send any related text, audio, image, video, document file, we not be accepted. After the analyze the audio, if anybody send a message in the audio form, hey, my name is Nadir Habib, we that Gemini model analyze their audio in the 2.5 flash with the binary file is received data that I received the base64 to convert in the file format. We receive the data name, and that data I push in the binary field that analyze Gemini easily. Is the same analyzed image model I use, is the same model analyzed video, is the analyzed document. And after the system and analyze is every input user message that analyze what I trigger here by the system prompt natural allow. If anybody send a message, hello, I am Nadir Habib, yeah, simple send a message on my group, not be allocated in here. If anybody send a harmful message, we block immediately. If anybody send a spam, yeah, natural, yeah, negative message. Spam means like send contact information like send email, like send any website link, is be spam message is considered. So first of all, if anybody send a natural message, the automation is working here. If anybody send a harmful message, we directly delete that message, and after the remove the person by the group, not be allocated the warning, directly block the user, remove the person in my group. If anybody send a spam message like share the number, yeah, share the email, yeah, share any kind of information to the contact allocated. So first of all, we delete the message, and after the push the information of the delete message in my data table. That is the data table is the n8n data table, where the limit I set a node the complete JSON file. If you need, you can contact me, I send you. If anybody send a first message, the first warning message, we allocated the send a message, hey anybody not send like that message, contact information, and after you warning, first warning I send you, and after the remove in the group. If anybody send a second message, we just send a message. If anybody send a third warning, we just remove the person by the group and update my the data table. So let's check that out workflow. We take a phone and send a message hello, and I send a hello message. The automation is working. The automation is working. You see that automation is success, and you check that the hello message is the natural tone. The message is the natural, and now I send a message by the share my number 0368. Now I send the phone number that is against my WhatsApp group guidelines. So you see it, automation is working. I send a message is the phone number, that's warning is come, first warning, and the data table is received their request by the name, by the phone number, and the total warning is the first, and allocated by the time. And now I send a second message. Now I share my simple email. Now I send my email in here. The automation is working. You see that I send a email, and the second warning is come, don't share any phone number or email xyz, be friendly, share here project info, customer directly contact you if they interest. And the second warning is come in the data table, receive the second warning in the group. And now I send a third message. Now I send my website link. Now I send website link. You see that I send a website link. The automation is working, and you see that they block me in this group. So we see that the data table, the total warning is third warning, and the user be removed. The simple step. If you need that JSON file, you can contact me. Feel freely to. So goodbye. We meet in the next video.